Hi, welcome back to our channel AROMA Dish. Today we are going to do butter prawns. Prawn is one of the most favorite seafood and also a pride of the ocean. So today I'm going to show how to do butter prawn in my style. First step, we need to marinate our prawns. These prawns are already cleaned. We need to take out the skin and wash it well. Firstly, to marinate, we need to add salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper, garlic powder and cornflour and mix it all together. Here you can see the outcome after mixing our prawn. Firstly, the vital ingredient for our dish today is butter. We need to add cubes of butter and let it melt. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we are going to add our prawn one by one. Butter prawns is all about frying our prawns. We need to turn it back and front and fry it well. And don't take too long to fry it. Then you can add fresh curry leaves for a beautiful aroma. The combination of our prawn and curry leaves will create a nice aroma. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.